sure. The RF is on?
Yeah.
The RF is on. Okay. All right, so we're investigating acoustic transmission with one of the new base plates. This has got about a 5-degree angle to it, and Ivan's pushed in a couple brass screws into the housing to investigate whether or not we're getting any interference because of the use of brass near the applicator. Now, the ultrasound sensor is not attached to this, obviously. We're shooting into the top layer of the or top layer material of the two-layer validation phantom. The applicator has been fit with a new cable that Ivan did today, which is working fine. And I'm using the I think it's the not the EB-3. It's a flip probe, but in the metal housing. So a housing with reduced noise interference. Tissue match is we're getting about VSWR about 2.0, and the forward power right now is about 3.5 kilowatts. So it's definitely reduced compared to where it used to be, but we've still got enough power to I think do this experiment. Should also mention that I've got the original circulator in line with everything, and of course the splitters for the power measurements. So I'm first going to start by putting the ultrasound sensor on the tissue. We expect to see a thermoacoustic signal at depth. Do you mind switching around over to the computer monitor? You can see, I don't know what it is, maybe 60 millimeters deep. You see a strong signal, and I've windowed out the RFI at T0. So clearly we're able to see a thermoacoustic signal, and not a substantial amount of RFI written down in this remote at this distance. Okay, we'll come back to here again. I should also mention that Ivan has put this together with original screws for the applicator, no washers, no spacers or anything like that, and no acoustic material. It's just an airspace at the moment between the applicator and the base plate. So next I'm going to, I've coated the ultrasound sensor with Johnson & Johnson cocoa butter, not the aqueous stuff. And now I'm going to just listen to the side of the applicator. And this is pretty much what we're seeing all around. You can switch back to the screen again. So I do see a little bit of RFI in the upper left-hand corner, but it's pretty much close. It's pretty much at the noise floor, I would say. So we're not seeing a strong acoustic signal from this applicator, and I've worked my way around on all the sides to get access to it. So I don't think the brass is causing a strong signal, but we can discuss this with see what they have to say. Okay.